I will never understand brake checkers. Here we got 3 road ragers who got instant karma for brake checking. This first driver gets their car destroyed, totaled. Their back window is smashed, so I hope they enjoy the breeze coming in. This first driver was found at fault. Hopefully they got a reckless driving charge. Same with this next driver. I have no idea why they were pissed. But they brake checked the dashcam car several times, even after getting hit. They get their bumper destroyed, their car damaged. Their bumper actually gets almost ripped right off, as you're gonna see. It's not like they deserve a bumper anyways, and the camera pulls over to call the cops.
I'm on I-65 northbound. Just got into a major collision with another vehicle that brake checked me hard. I ended up rear-ending them.
Luckily, the idiot was found at fault, and they got instant karma. Last but certainly not least, we got a Jeep brake checker. They brake checked the camera multiple times. The camera tries to get away, switching lanes multiple times, but the Jeep just keeps brake checking and following them. Unfortunately for them, they're gonna get instant karma because they just so happened to do that in front of an unmarked police cruiser. I hope they got a nice reckless driving ticket, and hopefully they got their license suspended too.